guys, it's me Erica and welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be a surprise because we are gonna open surprise boxes. Let's take them. A couple of days ago, I found a store with gifts, some aesthetic things, and then I spotted these mystery boxes. And of course, I should to grab a few of them. And I took 6 mystery boxes. And today, we are unboxing them. So, let's quickly start from the first one. I can handle with this anxiety of what is there. They were so cheap. And I really have no clue, I've got no clue what can be there. So let's take the first one. Oh my god, that's pretty heavy. I'm so excited about that. I've never opened such mystery boxes in my life. So, drummers in the studio. Oh my god. So in the first mystery box, we have plates for potty. Look, they are glittering. Oh my god, I love it. I don't know why I need that, but I love such things. I love them. What is that? Bracelets. Nail at my business perfectly imperfect. That's kind of cringe. But alright. I like such stuff. I really like it. And the last one, stretchy foot covers. Oh my god, that's really needed. That's really usable and useful. Yeah, that's really good covers. I love it. So I rate this box 7 out of 10 because plates and these covers are really needed in usual life. But these bracelets is kinda cringe. Let's go to the second mystery box. Let's take that. Oh, that's really light. All right, drummers again. An intrigue. Such an intrigue. Oh my god, that's something pinky. I adore pink. Holy. Wow. The first that I see is this box. And that is glowing drawing board. Holy! I love it. I don't need that totally, but I really love it. How I love this store. Ooh. Oh. Something fell down. Fell over. Fell over. What is here? Probably some markers. Oh my god, they have pinky. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it. All right, what should I need to do? Let's test it. Let's test it. Yeah, let's do that. So, that is the board and I need batteries for that. And that will be lighting up. But let's something me to read. Thanks for watching me. And that will be lighting. And also I have this. Oh, that is making that dirty, not cleansing it. Oh no, that's cleansing. And let me also write for you. I will write for you. Follow me. Let's go to the consistency of this box. I'm so scared. So that's still second box and I see, oh no. Again, this cringe. Again, these bracelets, I don't need them. And that's rings. That is rings. I totally don't need them, but alright. Thanks for that. Let me show you. Yep, let me show you them. So, the second box was maybe 5 out of 10 just because of the bird. And I hate those bracelets. Alright, let's go to the third one. That's also so light. And please, drums. Drums in the studio. How to open that? I'm so excited! Box number 3, storage box. I love it. I really need that for my notebooks, for some stuff that is on my table. That's really nice. I like such things. Oh, that's really needed. That's really useful. Look at that. This is the storage and also scissors, marker, little tiny, so cute. Look at it. Oh, and scissors, they are also so good. Also, we have this, how is it called in English? Oh my goodness, tape, but it's sticky tape and so tiny. Also, this thing that I never used in my life, and that's really good. Sticky book, not tape. Okay, you got me. And yeah, that's for this thing. I don't know, how is it called in English? That's so strange. Yep, that's really cool. And the last one in this box is that I really love. That is planner. And look at that, it's so cute, it's so shiny, and of course it's pink. I love it really much. Oh my goodness, that will be on my fridge and I will use it every day. So this box is 8 out of 10 because I don't like the color of storage box, and probably I don't need these tiny scissors and this one. In Ukrainian that is called stapler. Let's go to the fourth mystery box. So mystery box number 4, and I hope that no more cringe bracelets, please. This one is also so light. It's also so light, and drummers to the studio, please. Oh my gosh! That is really interesting. Yes, that is the Christmas stuff, but that's for baking. That's a baking form with this really cute cookie. I love it. I really would use it, but yeah, that's Christmas stuff. But that's not the stupid Christmas stuff. Also, oh, that's so good. Baking kit. Also Christmas, but that's baking kit. I need it, of course. And oh no, what is that? Gay band ribbon. I don't know for what is that. I don't need that. Okay, thanks that is not bracelets. And the last thing in this box is a puzzle. What is that? Create and play. Let's open that. So I totally don't need a puzzle set. I don't need that. I don't need those ribbons. So to that box I gave maybe 4 out of 10 because yeah, baking kit is really nice, form is really nice, but that's not Christmas. And 2 mystery box left. Maybe you can see something from this. It looks like the storage box that I already have. And it looks like baking kit that I already have. Oh my god, tell me that is not true. Tell me that is not true. Let's open number 5. Drummers in the studio. Oh no. Why I'm not so lucky? Again. Oh my god, I need somebody to give it. And puzzle. For what? Christmas puzzle. Slake stock candy cane. I don't need that. That's quite March. And this one. The last one. That is 0 out of 10. Drummers, please. No bracelets, please. No bracelets. Alright, I see something else. Woo! Of course, this is the same planner. The same as I already have. That is not a problem because I really like such planners, and that is not a problem for me to give it to somebody, to my friends. Of course, a storage box, that's really great also because I have many stuff to put them into these storage boxes, maybe to give it to someone, and that is a really good pencil. Look, a really nice pencil. Is it? No, that's not. Alright, this box is 1 out of 10 because I have only one new item. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and to unpack these boxes with me. Tell me please, what item did you like the most and what box did you like the most? I'm waiting for your feedback. Thank you so much. Bye bye!